You can eat it. Just eat it, let it go.
But I need to put my alpha levels.
Did you even wash that apple?
Alpha don't need to wash apple.
Oh, illegal.
Why look at this?
Yeah, I can have the other half of the apple because I bet you can open it. Give it a smaller piece. I don't want an entire apple uncooked. Cook enough. Yo, that's even enough. Bro, this is not enough.
Shut the hell up. We do not talk about that.
Does budgie sound count as music? Let me see if that goes. You can find budgie sound on music. This is not. This is not a book.
The land of nomads.
You mean no man's land?
Yeah.
I claim this side of the no man's land.
Are you challenging me?
You can have the other side. You missed my side. Let's go, bro.
I overdid it, little bro.
You can't come on my land. I haven't baffled.
Yeah!
I haven't baffled.
That's all. That's the word.